Overall, I would rate your resume a 7 out of 10. Buong resume niya is single column, so mababasa to ng mga ATS and hindi siya ma-filter out sa application process pa lang. So good. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod, okay din. Mag-i-start tayo sa work experience section. Lagi kong sinasabi sa resume reviews ko na mahalaga yung contents ng kada bullet. Yung simple guide ko lang naman dito is strong action verb followed by the specific work that you've done and ending with the result of that work that you've done. Paano yon? So, ito, annotated. It's a strong action verb, so good. And the next is the specific work, which is multimodal datasets for AI model training. Good. Kaso, kulang ng result of the specific work that was done. So, dapat maglalagay ng result dito. So, annotated multimodal datasets for AI model training. So, what? Pwede mong ilagay na example doon is which was used by the company and increased their revenue by a certain percentage, or increase the user satisfaction by a certain percentage. So, same din dito sa mga susunod na bullets. I like na meron kang metrics na nilagay. So, good yun. Talagang kinulang ka lang sa result of the specific work that you've done for each bullet. And then, gagawin mo lang din siya sa lahat ng bullets na meron ka for each work experience. Yung number of bullets, wag nyo nang i-overthink. Basta 2 to 3 is enough. 4 to 5 bullets is kapag sobrang tagal mo sa company. Pero regardless, it's just a rule of thumb. Basta anywhere between 2 to 5 bullets and masunod mo yung bullet content formula na binanggit ko kanina, okay na rin yan. Sa education, okay naman. Yung sa skill section mo, naging double column. Dapat single column lang yan. So, madali lang yan ayusin. Pagtatabi-tabihin mo lang yung kada skill mo with a semicolon. So, kunyari, data annotation and labeling, semicolon, yung second bullet, semicolon, yung third bullet. And then so on. So, in that way, mas mapapaikli mo yung skill section mo and then single column din siya. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixedresume.io.